Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, October the 17th, 2020. And the last Sudoku I will do is a Tectonic with 3 stars. And this Sudoku Tectonic will be number 1771. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. I see here dual box. Dual box is the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this directly. Quadra box. Dual box again. Yes. 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are missing. Alright. So, and now, we have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And then let me think. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If this box is a 1, it's a 1 or 3, then those 4 boxes cannot be a 1. But also this box cannot be a 1. And I need a 1 in one of those 5 boxes. So this is not the solution. So this should be a 3, and the other box should be a 1. These 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. But I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 cannot be here, 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. But I cannot place the 1 here also. Same story with the 2. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1, the only place for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left should be the 5. Alright. So. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. This box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes here. 2 boxes left. The 5 and the 2. 2. Let me mark them 2 and a 5. We have a 3 here. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes here. 1 box left for the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box is going to be a 5 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2 or 4, because I need a 2 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3, 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the box with the 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This quadra box, I need a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them, 3 and a 4. I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. The 1 and the 4 are left. Yes, 1 and the 4. And now, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 1. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. These 2 should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 4 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. The 2 and the 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The 2 and the 5, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. That means... we have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. these two boxes cannot be a... Oh, wait. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So 1 box left. 1 digit left for the 4. And then these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Yeah. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, this is a difficult part. 1, 2, 5, 1. Yeah. Oh. Scissors. Alright. Almost finished. Let me think. 1 or 2. Well. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. I cannot place the 1 here because I have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution. This cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark them, 2 and the 3. That means we have a quarter box. These 2 boxes cannot be 2 or 3. The 2 and the 3 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. The other 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Alright, so now we have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 definitely here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. Then this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 3 also. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. That means 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 numbers left. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And 1 box left for the 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. I like this Tectonic. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or hit that bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend and see you on Monday. Bye bye for now.